Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how the Odoo website Product Advanced Filter module works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. After installing the module, navigate to the website, and then click on the configuration menu and select Settings option. Here, you will find the Product Advanced Filter option. Now we have the filter operator option, and you can choose the operator as and or. If you select and, then all the conditions must match. And if you choose filter operator as or, then any one condition should match. Then we have the color option, which is used in the website filter header, and after that, we have filter box color. This color code will be used for the website filter value toggle icon. Now, we will click on the Save button and go to the configuration menu and click on Filters. Now, click on New. From here, we can create a new filters for our website. As I have already created it, let me show you. Here, we have the filter title. From here, we will provide the name of the filter that will be shown on the website. Below that, we have the Active option, which includes all categories and selected categories. Here, I will choose All Categories, so the filter applies to all product categories. If we choose Selected Categories, then it will be applied to those specific categories. Then we have the filter value operator, and inside this we have and or. If we select or, then if any one filter value matches the product, it will be shown on the website. And if we select and, then all the filter values should match the product. Here, I have created some filter values, such as Office. And for the outdoor, here I have given the filter value name as Outdoor and created a rule for products that fall under the outdoor furniture category. Now, click on the Save button, and then we will go back to our website homepage. Click to the Shop page and click on the Edit button. Then click on the Style tab, and here we have the option to enable the Product Advanced Filter. After enabling the option, click on the Save button. Now you can see the Advanced Filter option. What if a customer wants an office furniture under $1,000? Then, by simply selecting these filter from the sidebar, the website will show you the matching products. And this is how the website Product Advanced Filter module helps the customer to quickly find products and improve the shopping experience. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.